Weaving is more than a technique. Through each thread, we embrace nature's rhythm, honor our traditions, and express emotion. Inspired by nature's patterns and the artisans who have carried these techniques through generations, I see weaving as a way to preserve history while shaping the future of textile art. Hi, my name is Citlalli Parra, and I am a multidisciplinary artist who works with botanical weaving and natural dyes to create both wearable and decorative pieces. In this Domestika course, we will explore the art of botanical weaving by working with natural fibers and dyes. First, we'll cover the foundations of botanical weaving, exploring tools, sustainable fibers, and plant-based dyes while practicing essential techniques. Next, we'll focus on design and composition, creating a mood board, selecting fibers, and experimenting with textures and patterns. Then, we'll assemble and refine your piece, securing fibers, adding final touches, and preparing it for display. By the end, you will have created your own textile artwork that reflects your creative voice and connection to nature. Join me in this journey as we honor tradition, embrace creativity, and weave something truly special.